Hello students, now we will discuss question number 1212. In this question it is given to us in the one column optical systems are given, match the optical system with image and object combination possible. The nature of image is not known and the optical system can be at any position. So we need to think about all the position of the optical system of convex mirror, concave mirror, converging lens, diverging lens, and we need to find out whether this position of object and images in column 2 are possible or not. This question is just a test of your understanding or your knowledge of image formation. For different position of convex mirror and concave mirror, converging lens, diverging lens, for different object positions, what are the image positions and their properties? This need to be remembered to solve this question. If you have any problem in this question, it just means you need to revise image formation and cases of image formation. Let me solve this question for you. First case, convex mirror. Can we put a convex mirror to obtain position of object and image in first case in P situation? Yes. See that there is a real object and its diminished image is formed here. We all know that for a real object its diminished image is formed, erect diminished image is formed by convex mirror between its pole and focus. So convex mirror should be kept somewhere here and focus of the convex mirror should be here, so that image of this real object is diminished and formed between pole and focus. So case P is possible with help of convex mirror. So option A matches with case P. Now for case Q, there is a virtual object. For virtual object, if that object is virtual object should be behind the mirror, so mirror should be here. If object is virtual, its image is real and enlarged when it is before focus, between pole and focus, but image here is given as it is diminished. So virtual object between pole and focus, the case is not here. So other case of virtual object may be, it may be beyond focus, and when virtual object is beyond focus, you need to remember that their images may be virtual and inverted. In those cases images is inverted. So case Q is not matching with convex mirror. For convex mirror, if object is virtual between pole and focus, the image is real and enlarged, which is not given in option Q. And with object beyond focus, virtual object beyond focus, images are inverted, but the image here is erect, and this option is not matching with convex mirror. Let's discuss about option R. Virtual object is placed here and its inverted image is shown to us. So yes, this may be possible with the object between focus and center of curvature like this, and image beyond center of curvature. Image will be virtual in that case. So this case is possible for convex mirror. So option R is matching with A. Again for option S, there is a real object. Convex mirror never forms inverted image for real object, so this option should not match with A. So for option A, P and R are matching. Now similarly you can deduce which options are matching with B, C and D. Let me solve this for you. First let us rub this positions of convex mirror in whatever I have written here. Now option A was matching with P and R. Now let's discuss about option B, which is concave mirror. Can a concave mirror form a diminished erect image of a real object? Yes. When object is between focus and pole, like this. Okay, when object is between focus and pole, its enlarged image is formed, not diminished. So this is not matching. For real object, image is erect only when object is between focus and pole, and for object between focus and pole, image is enlarged, but this image is diminished. So this should not match with option B. This is incorrect. Concave mirror, virtual object is given to us and image is given here which is diminished. Can diminished image be obtained using a virtual object? For concave mirror, you need to draw concave mirror and try out. Virtual object should be behind the mirror and its diminished image is obtained here. So in this case, when object is real, image was virtual and it was enlarged. So when object is enlarged, it's in virtual, its image may be real and diminished. So this case is possible when mirror is somewhere here and image is obtained between focus and pole. For a virtual object behind mirror, image is obtained between pole and focus and it is diminished. So this case is possible for concave mirror. Now next case, we have a virtual object again and its inverted image. Concave mirror never forms inverted image of virtual objects, so this is not matching with B. Now for the last case, real object and its inverted diminished image, yes, it is possible with concave mirror somewhere here, an image between focus and center of curvature, an object beyond center of curvature. This case is possible for concave mirror. Yes, this is possible for concave mirror. So you can now see that how I am finding options for concave convex mirror. Now similarly you can find out which options are correct for C and D. Those will come out to be for option C. You will see that option Q and option S are matching, and similarly for diverging lines option P and option R are matching. You can see that for yourself. Thank you.